For this project, we are going to need 5 plastic containers like these ones. These containers are for grapes, and I'm gonna show you how big they are. They are 7¼ inches in width by about 5 inches in height. You want to make sure to wash them thoroughly with soap and water, and then dry them with a clean rag or paper towel. These containers will be repurposed, so we want them squeaky clean. We are also going to use 35 disposable baby diapers number 2 to make the diaper cake candy rolls. 5 pairs of sheets of wrapping tissue in assorted colors, curling ribbons of your chosen colors, Tootsie labels that you could download from the links in the description box. We are going to need 2 labels per container. We are also going to need a small roll of clear cellophane. The inspiration to make this video came from the Tootsie rolls. They come in many different colors and also flavors, and when I saw them I say, oh my gosh, they're just so adorable. Why don't I make some diaper cakes like Tootsie's fruit juice? The first thing that we're going to do is to cut the labels. We're going to be cutting all the white spaces on the sides of the labels. And if you have a pair of scissors, you can do it with a pair of scissors. Or if you have a cutter, you could do it with a cutter as well. It's your preference. Since we're gonna be using 5 plastic containers for this project, we will need to create 5 bunches of 7 diapers each. So 1 bunch of 7 diapers for each plastic container. For the next step, we're going to be using the wrapping tissue along with the double-sided tape to cover the plastic container. Keep in mind that we need 2 sheets of wrapping tissue to cover this plastic container, which is what we're doing now right here, using 2 sheets. So it's double sheet. And it's very simple. I just put a little piece of tape and then press, and that's it. And then for the other side, see, for the other side, just do the same. Like that. And then if I want to secure a little bit more, just another little piece. And I'll do one in between the 2 sheets. Just like this. Now we're going to add the 2 pieces of labels. As you see, I'm just going to do this. And try to make sure there is kind of like in the middle of the container. Okay. Use the double-sided tape. And I'm putting it right there. Okay. And that's gonna hold the first part of it. Just keep in mind that you want your label to be as centered as possible. Okay. So now I'm gonna put another piece of double-sided tape right underneath the label on top, so it holds this part there, and another piece on this side. I'm just gonna do a few pieces so it holds very well, like this, and add another one here in a vertical position, maybe a little bit more here, and another little one on the other side there. Just gonna fold it. I did fold it on both sides, and then I cut this little piece that was extra that we didn't need it. Let's see now, we got the fruit juice right on this side, which is how we want it, and the other one right on this side. And great, yes, perfection. That's perfection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal everything. I'm gonna seal the deal with some double-sided tape, and we'll be on our way for the next one. Just total perfection. And guys, don't worry about it too much, because this is gonna be also wrapped in another type of paper, so it will be okay. There's the little thing here that I don't like, so I'm just gonna cut it completely. Just like that. And it's fine. Okay, if you want to be very meticulous about it, you can. There you go. And this is the cellophane that we're going to be using. It's a roll of clear cellophane. Just going to do that. We need to completely cover everything. I'm just gonna go over it like 1.5 times, okay? And we're almost done cutting the cellophane. Okay, this is a very easy step. It's just adding double-sided tape to the labels, so the cellophane, the clear cellophane, can stick to it. And I just did this part here, a little bit there, and one part right there. I'm just gonna turn it so it holds. There we go. And 2 little pieces, one here and one on the other side, right there, so the paper sticks. Okay. And then now we're ready to completely close the cellophane. Just like that. Isn't that so easy, right? And now we are gonna use the curling ribbon. I'm gonna use it in green, and I just pre-cut it 10 pieces of 16 inches of ribbon, and I am just gonna use these pieces to put it on one side of the container, just like this. Then tie one time and tie 2 times. Once you have that, you can cut the excess of clear cellophane. I'm just going to cut it with the rotary cutter. There you go. And I can work on this with my scissors. The way I do it is very simple. Just like that, to curl it. They don't need to be the same, all of them. As a matter of fact, if you can try to get them to look different, so it's more fun to see. Okay, so this is very, very simple, right? Make sure you don't cut yourself because that wouldn't be fun at all. There, we're almost done with one side. And this is one side already done. And now we're gonna work with the other side, doing the same thing. And that's it. And isn't it so cute, right? Adorable. A Tootsie diaper cake. I will show you another way in which you could present the Tootsie Rolls as gifts.